There is a new message on my inbox. Let's see. I made a new grounded video. Check it out. Undefinitely checked out.
Elizer, you have to take a shower.
But Mom, it's Saturday. I just took a clean as a whistle shower yesterday.
You're going to take a shower and that's final.
First, I will take my clothes off. Second, I will go in the shower. Now I will turn off the water. Uh-oh. The water is still going. Oh no! I broke the shower head.
Elizer, get down here right now. Elizer, explain about what happened.
Explain what?
Oh my God, Steven, get in here quick.
What is it, Kate?
Elizer was taking a shower and then she broke it and now water is leaking from the roof.
Oh my God, Elizer. How could you do such a thing? That's it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 899 years. Now go upstairs to your room. Now.